In this video, we will review the process for managing iShield security keys using the iShield Key Manager command line interface. The iShield Key Manager command line interface, or CLI, is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. In this how-to video, we will focus on the Windows operating system. You may download the iShield Key Management Kit containing the CLI from the Swissbit website. Deep links will be provided in the description of this video. Once downloaded, simply extract the contents of the zip file. Within the root folder, you'll find a subfolder labeled IKM CLI. As no installation is required, simply copy this folder to the location of your choice. The iShield Key Manager may be run from the command line interface or through Windows PowerShell. In order to administer FIDO applications, you must be an administrator. First, browse to the location where we copied the folder in order to access the utility. This folder contains only a license and the executable for the iShield Key Manager CLI. Try running a basic command with the subcommand info. This will provide some basic information about the connected iShield key. To view the connected interfaces, such as USB and smart card reader, type the command followed by list. In order to assist with navigating the command line interface and to present the subcommand list options for each authentication protocol, type the command followed by --help. To manage individual protocols, type the command name followed by a subcommand associated with that protocol and any required arguments. Subcommands for the protocols include FIDO, password, HOTP, and PIV. Now let's take a look at some of the various subcommands associated with the protocols supported by your iShield key. By entering the FIDO subcommand with the help argument, all supported arguments associated with the FIDO protocol is displayed. Notice that some arguments require a specific type of attribute. For example, the PIN should be supplied as plain text. Now let's run the command again, this time using the password subcommand and once again using the help argument. Note that the password subcommand manages both password slots and time-based OTP. Notice that many of the arguments, regardless of the subcommand, require a second argument. For example, to define which slot you wish to perform an operation on. Finally, let's take a look at the options available for managing the PIV interface. Certain subcommands and arguments may generate output in the form of a file. For example, generating a certificate signing request. You may have noticed that I did not cover the HOTP protocols. One of the primary use cases is to bulk seed the iShield keys. You will find a link to a how-to video on bulk seeding and general management of the HOTP interface. I hope you found this video informative, and as always, Swissbit looks forward to assisting you on your passwordless journey.